Just a quick update for you people. I am working on the Iflight 4.4 tuning guide, but it is taking longer than expected. Recently I have a lot going on at work and that's been delaying the tuning guide. And also I haven't flown as much recently as I would have liked. Be sure to check out Quad, which is a FPV drone event happening in Denmark next month. So I'll link that down in the description below. Other than that, the tuning guide is on its way. But for today, I leave you with some Sunday practice. Let's get out there and get flying.